servants wait on a carriage for you, ready to go and 7 horses strong, that for you're in marriage with the Duke. Headily roving back where you belong, day unveiling you. Wake up, pray, through the reef the bird is taking all away. Your restraint the mariner's mind, wingspan from calm abandon to frenzy and ferocity. It tweets on your palm as fleeting melodies. Oh, despair with me that lost to me. Well, and if someone shrieking savages, leave the peeve and see. Wake up, pray, fall right into place with all the other rays. Let your warmth prevail in the main. Guide each wayfarer's vision, just after reading the air. Sung by the red and yellow plumaged bird, that in turn is feeding on your care.